My name is Hazel Cheda and I'm mother of Lavya Cheda. We've joined Almond Brain Academy. It's been 1 month and I've got a very positive response from my child also. He's taking it very well. All the exercises and everything he's doing on time. मैं कभी भूल जाती हूँ तो he reminds me, Mama, it's time to do the exercise or meditation or blindfold, whatever. The best thing that I have noticed in him right now is his eating habits have changed. He himself has got that awareness that I don't have to eat outside food. Everything he will say, Mama, does this have sugar? If it has sugar, I will not eat. And even his favorite chocolates and biscuits and everything completely zero हो गया उसका, zero intake हो गया है.
We have to not eat junk food, outside food, no chocolate, no sweet, no sugar.
Secondly, his normal food intake has increased, maybe because his sugar cravings are not there, so now his normal food intake has increased. Second thing is screen time has become zero. We have become completely aware that I don't have to watch more than 5 minutes, that too very rarely, maybe once a week or so, which I don't much restrict him because I think that should be enough for him. 5 minutes may not make a lot of difference to him. And third thing is curiosity has increased, asking random questions, sometimes valid, sometimes random questions, but lot of questions have come, so he is thinking in that way now. Imagination has increased, lot of questions have increased, why this is happening this way, why this is not happening this way, why we should do it that way, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, why are we not doing it the other way. So intellectually that difference I have seen. Maybe it's on a very less level, but the questions have come. Secondly, little bit of patience has developed. Not much, but little bit patience has developed. Now we sit in one place, eat properly, don't roam around while eating. When I say, Love, it's time to study, yes, he will bring his book, sit properly, try to pay attention and do his work. So all very good he's become now.
Very nice.